Family Christmas. Outside, the garden has fallen asleep under a big white coat. Soft snowflakes dance behind the window pane. Leo and Lily look at the sky with excitement. The big day is finally here, the one they have been waiting for so long. The house is getting ready to shine bright. There is a knock at the door. It is David, the dad, coming home with a big green surprise. He is carrying a huge Christmas tree that smells like the fresh forest. Leo runs to help him by holding the bottom of the tree. The living room is suddenly filled with the wonderful scent of pine. Sarah, the mom, brings out the boxes hidden in the attic. Inside, there are sparkling treasures, red baubles, golden tinsel, and little fabric angels. Lily dips her hands into the soft tissue paper to grab the most beautiful decoration she can find. The whole family gets to work. Leo chooses a special spot for every ornament, while Lily hangs the shimmering garlands. The green branches slowly disappear under the joyful colors. The tree becomes the king of the living room, standing proud and sparkling. Something is still missing right at the top. David lifts Leo way up high, toward the ceiling. With a steady hand, the little boy places the big gold star on the peak. Now, the tree is truly finished. All it needs is the magic of the lights. In the kitchen, Sarah and Lily are making delicious treats. It smells like cinnamon and honey. They cut out little cookies in the shapes of hearts and stars. The dough is soft under their fingers, and Lily works hard to make sure every cookie is perfect. Meanwhile, David and Leo prepare the big table. They lay out a pretty red tablecloth and arrange the napkins. Leo carefully sets down the plates, making sure everything is straight. Everything must be beautiful for the big family meal tonight. Evening falls and a sleepy feeling begins to arrive. Before going to bed, Sarah reads a lovely story to Leo under the warm blanket. They talk about magical dreams and the old man in red who travels through the clouds. A peaceful calm settles over the house. The next morning, the sun shines brightly on the snow. Lily runs down the hallway and gently wakes Leo by whispering in his ear. "Wake up, Leo, it's Christmas," they whisper. They creep down the stairs on tiptoe, their hearts beating fast with joy. Under the tree, many colorful packages have appeared. David watches Lily open her very first box. The paper tears with a joyful rustle. Inside is a wonderful surprise that makes the little girl's eyes sparkle with pure happiness. Sarah gives a small, beautifully wrapped package to Leo. It is a moment of pure magic. Toys are spread out across the rug, and happy laughter fills the room. But the most beautiful gift of all is being together in this warm house full of life. David and Sarah look at each other and smile, happy to see their children so joyful. Around the decorated table, the family shares their delicious meal. Their hearts are full of warmth. At Christmas, the most important thing is the love we give to one another.